So we're trying to make a double play here. We're in the Euro Audi and we're in the Pound Audi. And on my strength meter, Euro Pound both stronger than the Audi. Well, the Pound has slipped down, so it could go either way. That Pound Audi, this Euro Audi, we should have it. So we'll see what happens. Currently up on both, looking good on both. Really looking real good on the Euro. Okay, 1 minute to go on both of them. This Pound Audi is the closer one though. Okay, looking good. Strength meter helped us on this one. We want that to close on this high right here. Oh, great close. Okay, just gotta hold on. This was a great call. This Audi was weaker than the Pound and the Euro. We took what we saw, and we got two setups. They were both higher lows. Let's just see. We just gotta hold on here. 29 seconds. Let's take a look at that Euro. Oh, we good. We money bags on this Euro. We just need this Pound to hang on because it was the one. The Pound was closer, so we need this Pound to hang in here. Hold on, Pound. Hold on, Pound. Push up. Count it down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Say it with me.
Easy money.
Hey guys, how's it going? JD here. So in this video, we are going to go a little bit deeper in this new cheat code I found, which is the currency strength meter. All right, so I know you guys have been seeing me use it, but I know a lot of new people are steady coming onto the channel, steady, grabbing the course. So it probably would be good if we all just did a little refresher, right, on currency pairs, because this is for basically Forex trading. I'm using it to scalp binary options, real pairs, all right, but you actually could be using it for your Forex trading also. Like for instance, today the Euro was strong all day. I started trading maybe about 6 a.m. Man, it was strong all the way until at least noon. All right, so just having that little piece of information really is a cheat code. I mean, I just keep saying it over and over again because it's really a cheat code, just having that one little piece of information. But it dawned on me that everybody may not know how to use the strength meter just because they know the Euro is strong. Some people may still not know what to do with it. All right, so we're just gonna do a little refresher. All right, real refresher, and I'm gonna go and show you the strength meter so you can see it, and then I'll tell you how to use it. But as a refresher, when you're trading currency pairs, there's always two pairs, and you're always actually simultaneously buying one pair, selling the other. All right, so an easy way to look at it is like this. Well, first let me explain what it is. All right, so with currency pairs, let's take the Euro dollar. Okay, whichever pair is first, in this case the Euro, or whichever pair is on the left, but whichever pair is actually first in the pair, Euro dollar, so Euro will be first. That pair is always worth 1 unit, okay, of that currency. The pair on the right, in this case the dollar, is called the quote currency. Okay, so let's say that the quote currency for dollar is saying 1.05. So what that means is that 1 euro is equivalent to $1.05. All right, so that's how currency pairs, that's how you read a currency pair. That's how you know the price of the exchange rate for a currency pair. Now, let's say that the Euro on the strength meter has 5 bars and the dollar only has 1. That means that the Euro is stronger than the dollar. So we would expect for the Euro price to rise against the dollar. In that case, we want to be buying euros, selling dollars. We don't want to go with dollars. Now, if it was vice versa, if the dollar was stronger and the Euro was showing weaker, if the Euro had 1 bar, the dollar had 5 bars, then on that euro dollar pair, we would actually want to sell the dollar. We want to go short because the dollar would be appreciating against the euro. Okay, hope that didn't confuse you, but I'm gonna take you over to the currency strength meter. But that's how currency pairs work. All right, just think about it like this: whatever's on the left, if it's going strong, you want to buy. If it's weak, you want to sell it. That's whatever's on the left. Go opposite if it's weak. If it's strong, buy. Strong, buy. Weak, sell. Whatever's on the left. That'll kind of help you out. But just remember, whatever's on the left is worth 1 unit. Whatever's on the right is the quote currency. So in my example, 1 euro dollar is worth 1.05. 1 euro is worth 1.05 dollars. All right. Another example. Let's say you got dollar Swiss. Right. Let's say you got the dollar Swiss. So what that means is, let's say the dollar. So dollar is gonna be $1 because it's on the left. It's 1 unit, $1, and the Swiss may be at 1.554, something like that. So all that means is just $1 is equivalent to 1.554 Swiss. All right. I probably threw them numbers all off. It gets confusing, right? But you guys understand what's on the left is always 1 unit of that currency. What's on the right is the quote currency. All right. But you really don't have to know. You really don't have to know all of that when you're trying to take a trade. What you just want to know is which currency pair is stronger, and then you'll go against that. So I guess you do got to know that, you know. So that's why we're doing this. All right. So now let's go to the charts. And I'm gonna look this over again, and we're just gonna look over today. And it may not line up right because I mean it's later in the day now, and the currency meter may have definitely changed because it changes. You have to refresh it a lot. All right, I refresh it a lot. Like basically after every trade, I refresh it to try to stay in line with what it's doing. But using this currency meter while scalping binary options and the real pairs, people, it's a cheat code, right? And so that's why I'm making this video. So let's go over there and just go even deeper, right? Let's go to the charts. If you want to learn price action trading, you can visit www.jdhyder.com, where you will find the IOTS price action trading system, which is the course that you need to begin to increase on the sudden. Okay, guys, we are back. And, you know, with all the stuttering I was just doing, I know I probably confused some people. I'm sorry about that. You know, these currencies can get a little tricky, but it's really actually quite simple. All right, so let's just look across this top. So the strength meter, it can go up into, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Actually, there's one more green level. So it's actually 6 bars. And a strength meter on this one I'm using. This is livecharts.co.uk. All right, currency strength meter. You can find it by just Googling currency strength meter. But I found that, you know, this site is it'd be pretty accurate. It'd be pretty accurate. So a max out is 6 bars, right? Because it goes one darker green than this, I know. So 6 bars up. All right, and then weakness is 1 bar. So right now the Audi is weak, the Swiss is weak, the New Zealand is weak, the CAD is weak. All right, so in my pair example, some great trades to take would, number 1, be the first pair that would be outstanding is the dollar CAD. All right, hold on, you know what? Let me get my tool up. Okay, so you know the dollar CAD. You can't see that, huh? This would be something great. All right, and the thing about it is I already know this pair, so it's dollar. It actually is dollar / CAD. So in this case, which way do we want to go? Do we want to buy or do we want to sell? From what I explained earlier, the dollar is strong, the CAD is weak. So in this case, we want to buy. We want to buy the dollar against the CAD because it's stronger. All right. Same thing if we went here, pound CAD, euro CAD. All of these are euro pounding Euro, pound, and dollar, they're all on the left side of the CAD. I just know that already from trading. All right, so I will be looking to buy each of these against the CAD. Okay. What's another look? Another good look is right here. The dollar against the Swiss. And I already noticed the dollar is dollar. Again, on the left. Dollar Swiss is the pair. So, with that being the case, do I want to buy or do I want to sell? Again, we want to be buying the dollar because we expect it to get stronger. All right, so now let's mix it up a little bit. Let's say we have Euro, CAD. Oh, I guess I already said that, huh? Now here's an interesting one. We got the dollar, we got the New Zealand. It is written New Zealand dollar. Okay. Strength meter is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 against 1. Do we want to buy or do we want to sell? In this case, we want to sell the dollar. It's on the right this time instead of being on the left. So to go with the strength of the dollar, we have to sell right here. All right. So we will be selling the dollars, sell the dollar, buying New Zealand. But we really ain't buying it though. We're going with the strength of the dollar, right? You just want to go with the strength of the dollar. So the meter helps you do that, okay? So let's just take a look at what some stuff has been doing. Let's go take a look at the dollar CAD real quick. Ups right here, dollar CAD. And just taking a look at it, yeah, it's been trucking. It's been trucking. Now it's had a small retracement, recent, but look at the overall. I mean, overall though, that's a beautiful trend up. Let me change my color back. Yeah, that's a beautiful trend up right there. I mean, you can clearly see that the dollar has been stronger, against the CAD, right? Let's go see what else do we have. Let's go look at the dollar against the Swiss now. See, dollar Swiss. Oh, right here, dollar Swiss. What we got? Oh, yep. It is currently in a range. All right, let's do some work study lesson while we're here. That's boom. That's the top. That's the bottom. Currently in a range. But before it hit this range, what were we doing? We was trucking. You got a trend up. One push up, 2 legs back. Retracement. Perfect market cycle. I mean, it's huge. It's huge. It's huge, but you got a leg up, 1, 2 legs back. This was some kind of news report right in here that really made it, push down this hard, but it still came back to do perfect market cycle. And I've been noticing that, even when you get some kind of random news, man, price action is just price action, Many times, currencies are going to get back to doing exactly what they were doing. Like, look, like right in his case, right here, we have been moving up. It already had a trend up, trend break, retest a new high. And then it had came down, 2 legs down. Then, it was headed back up again. Then some news came out. Dropped it all the way down. But look, it came right back. I mean, this is a minute chart. So that's 1 minute down. And in the next 3 minutes up, it was about where it was at before. So, news only lasts for a hot second. Then price action normally resumes and does exactly what it was doing before. And in this case, it was trending up. All right. Let's go see what else we got here. Okay, dollar. Let's go look at that reverse. Let's go look at the New Zealand dollar. See what that looks like. Oh, you know what? I don't think they have New Zealand dollar, actually. New Zealand. Nope, they only got OTC, so that's not gonna help us. Yep, I don't know why they don't offer New Zealand dollars. Pretty weird to me. That's a major, but okay. So let's see what else could we look at. I'm trying to find something that the dollar is in front. Let's look at this dollar pound. Although this is close. No. I'm tripping right here. Right here, I'm tripping. Audi dollar. Right here. The Audi's gonna be first. Let's see how this is looking. Let's find the Audi dollar. It's unavailable. My goodness, help me out here, Pocket Option. I'm trying to teach. Goodness gracious, it's unavailable. All right, let's keep it moving. See, it's New Zealand dollars in front, the Audi dollars in front. I really don't want to look at the euro dollar because I already know the euro was strong most of the day. Let's look at the euro. Let's look at the pound dollar. Let's see what it's currently doing, right? So currently, we got this pound against the dollar. The dollar is strong, so we should see the dollar heading down. Let's go see. Let's see if we can see that pound dollar. And it's late in the day, so stuff is they shutting down shop. Oh, it's 418. 418. I was bad mouthing them for no reason. Sorry, y'all. Stuff is shutting down. Darn it. That pound dollar, we can't see it either. Oh, I better hurry up. Let's see. Okay, let's look at this Audi. The Audi would be first. Let's look at this Audi yen. Okay, let's see if we can find the Audi yen real quick before they shut everything down. Audi yen. Right here. Whew, lucked up. This is probably gonna be the last one of the day. The Audi yen. The Audi is weak. The yen has been strong, so we would expect a drop. And look at there. Look at there. It has been doing just that. Here's the Audi. We will be going short on that case. It's in a range now. But you can clearly see we traded down into this range, and now it's probably finna go short again here soon, because you got a trend up, trend break, retest the new high. Yep, a short may be coming very shortly. But that's it, folks. That's how you use the strength currency meter. I mean, that's it. That's really all to it. So the reason this is just for you to be able to target something. Okay, that's really it. That's really it. Just because the dollar is way stronger than the CAD doesn't mean it's gonna be going strong right when you enter the market. Okay, you don't just blindly take an entry just because of this. But what you do is you combine this with your knowledge of price action. So when you combine the fact that the dollar has been strong for, whatever length of time, then you can combine that with price action. What was that? The dollar CAD? Was that still available? Dollar yen, dollar Swiss. I lost it. Where is the dollar CAD at? What about the euro Swiss? I mean dollar Swiss. Yeah, dollar Swiss. See, so you combine the fact that it's strong. So you want to take something like this. You still want to take the same old trades. But let's say you look and the strength meter was up for the dollar. Okay, man, you know what? I'm doing my normal thing. If I don't just see a great entry off the EMA, if I see something like this, I'm still just gonna throw a fib on, do my normal thing. Oh, look! Surprise! We hit the 50% 618 zone. Man, I shot this video at the wrong time, people. I'm sorry. They just took that off. But hopefully you guys saw that there was like 3-4 entries right there, right in the sweet spot. Yeah, I picked the wrong time to shoot this video. My apologies. But more important than the chart lessons, right? We get chart lessons all the time. More important than that, I just wanted to explain to you how to go about using this cheat code that I call the currency strength meter. All right. And so again, in this case, hey, I'm trying to go dollar CAD, dollar Swiss would have been a good one. Audi dollar, this would have been a good one. I'm targeting these boys. Euro Swiss, that would have been a good one. Pound Swiss, that would have been another one. So you get a lot of opportunities. Get a lot of opportunities. But again, if you get 5 bars, hey, don't go against it. Okay, if there's a currency out here with 5 bars, do not go against it. Now, another tip, if it's even like this pound yen, I don't mess with it. I'm looking for an edge. Okay, I'm always looking for an edge. So if it's pound yen and it's even like this, I'm straight. Even if it's euro dollar like this, I'm straight. I want a legitimate edge in the market. I want to see 5 bars against 1, and then I want to see a price action entry in the direction of the strength. Okay, and that makes a world of difference. All right, so that's gonna wrap it up for this one. I hope you enjoyed it. Sometimes you got to do that, go back to the basics. We got a lot of new people here, so old heads, please don't get frustrated with this video. Okay, everybody doesn't know how to read currency charts. Just remember when you were brand new. Okay, so everybody be cool. Don't hit me in the comments like, why are we teaching the basics? Because everybody needs to go back over the basics every now and then, refresh your memory, and understand how to use a new tool like the currency strength meter. All right, so I really appreciate you guys. This is a great time to like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate you. And I'm gonna sign off with that. My name is JD, and as always, I wish you increase on the Sutton. Bye bye. If you have more time, I have more gems. Check out this video right here.